I like a long hair, thick, red bone. Open up her legs, then filet mignon that pussy. I'ma get in and on that pussy. If she let me in, I'ma own that pussy. Gone through it, baby, must have no girl like I'm hosting. Girl, I got that dope dick, now come here, let me dope you. You gon' be a dope fiend, your friends should call you dopey. Tell them keep my name out their mouth, cause they don't know me. But you can't call me shit. I fuck the whole group, baby, I'm a groupie. My sex game is stupid, my head is the dumbest. I promise I should be hooked on phonics. Yeah, but anyway, I think you're bionic, and I don't think you're beautiful, I think you're beyond it. And I just wanna get behind it and watch you back it up and dump it.
하루도 явдаг ховордыг сургуульд ирээд байна. За 3 хүн Аз 3000 хар дунд ороод баталтай хүн болны өгч хараад эвэртэй тулаа гэсэн юм шиг хэцүү байлаа. Гэтэ ямар ч гэсэн та бүхэнд энийг бичлэгийг үзүүлэхийг зориод энд ирчээд байна. Тэгэхээр энэ ховордыг сургууллаа. Sounds great.
Drive slow, homie. You never know, homie. Might meet some hoes, homie. You need to pump your brakes and drive slow, homie. My homie Molly used to stay 79th and May. One of my best friends from back in the day. Down the street from Calumet, school full of stones. He nicknamed me K-Rock today, leave me alone. Bullshacking with his hat broke way, y'all. Radio face off. Plus he had his spinning from his Dayton's in his hand, keys in his hand, reason again to let you know he's the man. Back when we rocked the leases, he had dreams of caprices. Drove by the teachers, even more about police. How he get the cash today? His father passed away, left him with a little something. 16, he was stunting. I'll be sure, nigga, with the hair all wavy. Hit Lakeshore, girls go all crazy. Hit the freeway, go at least about 80. Bone so much that summer, even had him a baby. See, back then, if you had a car, you was the Chi-Town version of Baby, and I was just a virgin of Baby. One of the reasons I looked up to him crazy. I used to love to play my demo tape when the system yanked. Felt like I was almost signed when the shit got cranked. We'd take a Saturday and just circle the mall. They had the Lincolns and Auroras, we was hurting them all. With the girls, a lot of flirting involved. Dog, fuck all that flirting, now I'm trying to get in some draws. So, put me on with these hoes, homie. He told me don't rush to get grown. Drive slow, homie. Drive slow, homie. Drive slow. You never know, homie, about these hoes, homie. You need to pump your brakes